Number 1. Number 2.
Two locks combined. First, let's find a good place to park your bike. Try to leave it in a prominent location on a bike rack. Having the bike visible is a preventative step and deters someone from tampering with it while you are away. Always lock your bike to a fixed, solid object that the lock can't be lifted over and cannot be cut. A bike rack is perfect, but in a pinch, a railing, fence, or tall post could work. Be sure that there is no ordinance against bike parking at the spot, and look around to see if leaving a bike there makes sense. If it is blocking pedestrian traffic or a sidewalk, then find a different place. The most valuable part of the bike is the frame. If the frame can be taken, then the entire bike can be taken. Whenever you can, use the lock around the frame. Don't use the lock on just the front wheel or seat post, since they are the easiest parts to remove with just a hex wrench or a quick release lever. For ultimate security, you may want to bring them with you. If you can only lock one wheel, then lock the rear wheel. The hub and cassette make the rear wheel much more valuable than the front. A secure way to lock a bike is by using the double lock.
Number 3.